Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 5, Power Query, Challenge Basic Transformations. Power Query is a powerful data connection technology that enables basic transformations to streamline and prepare data for analysis. One common challenge is performing basic transformations, such as filtering rows, changing data types, and renaming columns. These transformations allow you to clean and shape your data efficiently. For instance, you might filter rows to exclude irrelevant data, change data types to ensure consistency for numerical operations, and rename columns for clarity. With Power Query, you can also remove duplicates to maintain data integrity, split columns to handle complex data structures, and pivot or unpivot data to rearrange it for better insights. These basic transformations are essential for preparing raw data into a structured format, suitable for further analysis in Excel or Power BI, enhancing your ability to derive meaningful insights from your datasets.